Good morning everyone. As I say, I had a nice pleasant surprise today. I wasn't expecting these till Saturday, and the postman came to the door and left me a box, and in it is some plants for one of my tanks. Well pleased with these. I can go over the names quickly, look at the quality. This is a species of Crypts. Look at those beautiful roots. And funny enough, I was told to leave the actual pots on by two people. The owner of the business and a friend who you've seen her plants that I've shown, Jean. She also knows about fish. There's the other one. This is a species of Crypts, or a form, which I think originated from a company called Tropica. They're beautiful plants, lovely clean roots, nice active roots, alive, no problem at all. Anyway, while I get halfway through this, I've got to thank the owner of the company I got these through. They were bought through eBay, and I can tell you I'm allowed to actually mention, because it's a good sign, it's Premier Aquarium Service. They're based in Plymouth, and if anyone's thinking about plants for their aquarium, look up the name, which I've written down somewhere and I've mislaid it. This is me entirely. There I found it. Look up on eBay, Plym Master. Plym Master is the name for good quality plants, and I shall be ordering some more. They're fairly priced. They're not overpriced. They're beautiful plants, and at least you know you're getting some nice stuff. So I'm very, very pleased, and we'll be dealing again. So anyone is looking into buying aquarium plants, these are virtually tropical type plants, but I think he does the whole range. So believe me, they're good plants, and some species you probably wouldn't get elsewhere. So don't forget the name. Plym Master is on eBay and highly recommended by me. Me get one. Yes, I do fish as well. People are beginning to think, blimey, what doesn't he do? Well, I love it. I'm retired. I won't see 70 again. Another gentleman said, blimey, he's got a vast knowledge of stuff. No, what it is, I've brought up so many interesting things from boot sales and interests and that the information has virtually stuck with me. I'm not the slightest interested in sports or TV films and stuff like that. It doesn't interest me, but give me a nice antique, a nice plant, nice cacti. In fact, I'll put up some cacti I got yesterday at our branch, which had their meeting yesterday, and a superb talk as well. I could talk all day long, but I won't, but I could do. Anyhow, the other two plants also from this same seller, and they're new to me. I've never come across them. Beautiful plants. We've got Echinodorus, which is a form of sword plant. We've got one, the tall one, which is, I think the one I'm looking at is now. Now remember, I might have put this in wrong deliberately. I don't think I have though. Echinodorus uruguayensis. It's obviously a plant from Uruguay. Quite a nice looking plant, and once again, well rooted. And I've been told to leave the pots on them. What I have also got is some fertilizer tablets from another company called Denel. I'm trying those out. So, you know, remember, plants do need the odd feed. The other way is to give them CO, carbon dioxide. You can feed that into the water. I've done this in the past. I haven't got it on at the moment. Anyhow, the last plant on this little lot is, get the name right, is, I think I'm right with this, Oxalot Green, which is another Echinomastus. Sorry, I'm getting confused with the cactus names, because echino simply means a hedgehog. This is Echinodorus. Mustn't get confused with the cactus, Echinomastus, Echinopsis, you know. So many names are the same, or very similar, and they've got Latin and Greek derivations, which is interesting to find out what it actually means. There's normally a reason for these names. But anyhow, I might be putting this down as Peter's ramblings, which it could well be. I've nicked that idea from my article that I put in the Mesem study group. But there's another story. Anyhow, they're the plants. I'm going to put them into the aquarium. And they've got the lights. I've mentioned the type of lighting I've got for that. So I'm not going to go over that again. But I would say these are good plants, and I'll be ordering some more. So I'm well pleased. They are lovely plants. Once again, many thanks for watching this. Any comments please make. Please subscribe. Don't forget the name, Miget1. I'll answer questions on things that I know the answers to. I don't know the answers to everything, but I know some of the answers. And anyone interested, please let me know. And once again, thanks. Thanks again for watching. Thank you.